Now ukufika ukubuya kuleke ngokwakho ukwazi uPaul O'Sullivan ufike la wasitshela ukuthi yena uvula amadokete. Ngimbuze kaningi futhi nalo mhlambe ngoba nibhiyesaha nibhizi khulu mhlamba zange wayibona. Ngimbuzile la ukuthi njengoba wena usilipolisa uyivula njani idokete? Because he was insisting ukuthi yena uvula idokete aye police station makafika epolice station unikele ipolisa lisayine kuphela. Ngokwazi kwakho mhlambe ngokuzwa zonke indwezi mhlambe ikhona into ongayenza ukuthi indwezi zi-investigate ngoba kune allegation yokuthi uPaul O'Sullivan uphethe iIPT ngesandla kakhulukazi lokho kuseseno Robert McBride. Len begodi nalapha ku-IDEC la kuno advocate John Johnson uyabalawula nala isipoliseni phezulu uyalawula kunamapolisa aberekisana nawo asezingeni eliphezulu ngenza kangabi nguwe kube ngabanye ababereka ngaphasi kwakho mara ngokwazi kwakho ke nendaba kaKet Matlala ukuthi kunabanye abantu nabomhutsi ukuthi kuba neinformation njengale yokubhanda iPKTT umhotsi waba ngomunye ngiyazi ukuthi bongekho boselifini if ngikhumbula kuhle we had an acting commissioner at that time mara ke ngokwazi kwakho ngabe mhlambe mamala into leke esizwako le yaka Paul O'Sullivan mhlambe nawo uPaul O'Sullivan wakhe wafika kuwe mhlambe wafuna ukuthi umenzele izinto or afuna ukucontrola or adrop amagama ngoba kunento le yokudrop amagama ukuthi ubani bani unumber 1 or number 2 njani khona la mhlambe wake waba khona no waba nekinga no Paul O'Sullivan lo.
Well, look, I don't know the man. I see him wherever he is on TV or whatever. But yes, he does write me some emails sometime where you'll write emails with a demand. I want investigation on so and so. I want you must deal with so and so. I don't work for Paul O'Sullivan. And I don't need to be reminded if I had to investigate somebody in subs. Because like you'll write me, no, investigate so and so criminally or departmentally. I don't report to him. I don't deal with him. But in as far as opening cases, if that's what he does at police stations, I'll send out a directive that they should not accept such. If you go police station, normally you go and explain your side of the story. They assess if there are elements of crime and then they register the case.
Ngoba general kunento leyo ukuthi ukhona ubereka ukuthola ama section 205 ngendlela abathola ngakhona and ba fabricate intori nalento ye-extortion yokuthi mongakhumbula kune case enye ka honorable member but he has left parliament kwaba nento engicabanga ukuthi nayo kufanele ukuthi ifakwe lamehlo yokuthi uza kuwe athi unomlando umlando lo ungakhona ukubulala mara ke mangithi ngiyawubulala ngifuna amasente anyana lapha ngifuna amasente otherwise ngizokugijima ngichinge lapha eSARS and then you get all these so-called rogue units chasing you daily. Now ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengesipolisa njengobawazi ukuthi kuna nasi i-court order from the high court ukuthi angeke wakhona ukumbopha ungakamtsheli fanele umnikele 48 hours. I know ukuthi leyo court order ibuye court ingenzeka ukuthi ingaphezulu kwamandla akho mara bengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe njengoba iparliament sesivuleke umlando la ukuthi si wa walk out la ukuthi nesipolisa ngeke nasihelebha na ukuthi i-court order le anayo le inulifyiwe sibuyele back a court ukuthi we cannot have a citizen in this country ne notice enjalo. President will enjoy section, I think 89, if I remember, in terms of the constitution. Maras nanangu mundu nangu, who's a settler, West, unenwenye ewuti agabopheki angakatshelwa. Intwele ibalekisa ingazi commissioner. Kubonakala ukuthi singaba nomuntu umuntu munye nje munye. ikhuwa nohala uthi yena wahlagiswa angifuni ukuya lapho ngoba sahlagiswa kakhulu makhuwa thina angifuni ukuya lapho mara akhonakala igeneral ukuthi kube nomuntu umunye okuthiwa yena kabotshwa fanele akuthunyelwe love letter man sicabanga ukuthi namhlanje ngolosithathu ngolosibili namhlanje ngolosine siyeza sizokubopha it cannot be right ngiyacabanga ukuthi esipoliseni mhlambe lalapha ku portfolio committee into le iyafuneka ukuthi ugeneral akhayiqale ngamanye amehlo ngoba yehlisa isithunzi ku judiciary yehlisa isithunzi esipoliseni ukuthi sinomuntu nangu is bigger than everybody else in this country ungaphawula uthini ngalawo general ngoba vele isikhathi sami sesiyaphela.
No, thanks, Honorable Chair. I heard about that court order. I haven't seen it myself, but I will engage the DPCI because I think it was in that environment. Maybe they'll brief me as to what exactly is happening. But yeah, for now I can only comment up to that. Thanks, Honorable Chair.
General for nako ya hao ke nagana gore che mkoni
work without this deputy.
Mhlambe engakubuza ukuthi kiyo yonke into eyenziwe iPKTT mhlambe kuke kwaba khona la kuba namaqala mhlambe la kukhona abantu engizathi ke ngelimi lesiyeni high profile o abantu abasepolitikini abaphezulu abakhe ba investigatewa phambi kokuthi iKTT le ivalwe ngendlela yavalwa ngakhona okwenze ukuthi namhlanje sibe la no ukuthi kunento ezange zakhamba kuhle. In other words kunali batho babangwe maybe bana le ditulo tsetse khulu mhlambe ke abake ba investigatewa and if bakhona mhlambe icase linye ongalibeka ngoba kunalento yokuthi abantu bathi ingathi isipolisa kunabantu esibasabako esingahona ukuthi singababhudungela ukuthi ngamanye amagama sibabambe ngoba mhlambe bane high profile eSouth Africa apha you know mhlambe wena ngokwazi kwakho before iPKTT ivalwa ukhona mhlambe into ongacherela ama South Africans nathi as ad hoc committee njengoba sicala khulu into ezakhulunywa nguGeneral Mkhwanazi nge6 ngoJuly.
Yeah, thanks, Honorable Chair. I don't know. Maybe, yes, maybe PKTT touched a wrong button. I don't know. I don't know, but I don't remember of any such. They were doing their investigations, quite a number of politicians they investigated, councillors, municipal managers. Without hesitation, we never encounter any problem.
Now njenge icho mhlambe engase ngiyibuze umzekelo like an example engizoyenza ngoba uzakhumbula ukuthi iSouth Africa kube nanasi inkinga yakaSenzo Meyiwa engicabanga ukuthi yaba umraro omkhulu eSouth Africa ukuthi ngendlela ya investigate ngakhona abantu zange bajabula ngoba kwezwakala nokuthi uGeneral Sibiya naye wakhe wavela mhlokho ebusuku ngokwazi kwakho I know the matter is in court njenga nje isekantolo base busy ngayo but kunalokukholelwa ukuthi yamoroswa investigation layer ukuthi kwaba ne-interference nyana ekhona ekwenza ukuthi kube njengoba kwaba nabantu abanye ababotshwa abe basejele already umzekelo engikwenza ngale question engikubuze yona kokuthoma ukuthi mhlambe abantu abaphezulu before ivali PKTT bakhe baba khona mhlambe ababotshwako or nabo ama matters wabo mhlambe beka investigatewa ngibuyela kuleke yaka Senzo Meyiwa ukuthi ngileyo ngiyibuziswa ngileyo ukuthi tot namhlanje abantu let's need a free head abakajabuli next ngendaba le ngendlela yakhamba ngakhona nangendlela ikhamba ngakhona icourt, but leyo ingaphezulu kwamandla ethu ngoba sakhona ukukhuluma ngayo into esecourt. But in terms of investigation ngendlela iyenziwa ngakhona wena ngokwazi kwakho nangendlela bakubriefa ngayo ngoba we are not investigating mapolisa akho njengoba unguwo in charge ngendlela uzwa ngakhona kwenzeka kanjani ngakuwe, are you happy ngendlela izinto zakhamba ngakhona na?
Thanks, thanks, Honorable Chairperson. Currently, the investigation, I think, is proceeding. The case is in court currently. Well, what happened did happen. I know there was, at some point, some two task teams.
Yes.
And eventually, when I took over, there's only one task team. The other one, I did not close it. I said, if they have a case, they must go see prosecutors.
Yes.
And but the current team of Brigadier Bongani Kininda is going on with the case. So what happened before is history, and one, of course, you have hear many stories. And what happened? Of course, it was a high-profile case. Too many senior officials went to the scene, and one doesn't know what happened really there. We hope as the trial finalizes, we'll end up having to know exactly who played what role.
Njoba ngiyibuza ke le ngikhumbuzwa ukuthi lokhanyana kiba lapha endlini yaka Mr Molefe uyakhumbula nakhona ukuzwakala ukuthi uye kwavela ama agencies wesipolisa amanenganyana for icase inye kwaba nabantu abatholakala lapha endlini kwaba nemfoni ezikhona ezigijimako, and I think iDPCI was involved as well, ma Hawks were involved as well. Ngileyo nto ke eyenza ukuthi kungabi nokuphatheka kuhle kwabantu eSouth Africa ukuthi ngathi ukhona abanye abantu abavikelwako noma mhlambe iperception ngoba sometimes bathi perception is everything. Now ngokwazi kwakho nakuleyo case moyiqalako ngelihlo lenyoni yabona kunenyoni enye bathi igili moyiqala ngelihlo leigili ngendlela icase le ya addresswa ngakhona ya ngendlela baya ngakhona lapha awucabanga ukuthi ikhona into ekhona engakalungi esipoliseni ngokuthi akhonakala ukuthi icase inye uze abantu abaningi kangaka begodi kuberegiswe ngathi kwaberegiswa ne-helicopter lapho if ngikhumbula kuhle i-fly machine ngazo or mhlambe ngiyibambe kuhle general.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't venture or know, Honorable Chair, but yes, it did happen. I think evidence has been given before how that happened and how people ended up at that specific house. But the members who were there were able to indicate that they are genuine police, they're doing their work, and that was it. And that is subject to investigation as we speak. All those things, including who called helicopter and whatever, we are looking into that.
Maramanga kubuza mhlambe general ukuthi ukhe wabakhalima ukuthi into enje akufuneki yenzeke eSouth Africa, akufuneka ukuthi lokhanyana kunomuntu mhlambe onengwegwe kusho ukuthi umuntu osolwako makuthi kune investigation abantu abahlohlolako ube i-agency kungabi nento le yenzeka lapha ngoba angicabanga ukuthi kwamanye ama case into yenzeka lapha mhlokho endlini leya yakhe yenzeka mhlambe ukhe wabakhalima ukhe wathi batshela ukuthi man ningathomi nenza into nje ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi ngeke into ke eyenza i-wasteful expenditure yokuthi abantu bagijime kangaka for umuntu munye for icase inye mara kuze ama like parallel njengoba bowutsho nje ukuthi ne-issue nekasenzo meyiwa kwaba nama nto kanje amabili marabaya ecase ne-1 lokho umuntu osestradini mhlawumbe umuntu ongekho esipoliseni njengami angayicala ngelinye ilihlo ukuthi man into le ngathi kune cover up ukususa leyo perception general ebantwini ukuthi babe ne-confidence ngoba sifuna ukuthi isithunzi samapolisa sibuye abantu bahone ukuba ne-confidence yokuthi amapolisa nokho asasiphethe kuhle njenganje noma ke kungeke wonke umuntu ajabula inkulumo zizaba khona but in your view ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ukukhalimela ikakhulukazi laba ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi ama lieutenant generals kulama division ba reporter egcineni sigcina sifika kuwe indwezi mhlambe wakhe wabakhalima ukuthi into enje ingasenzeki ngoba ngiye eletha isithunzi samapolisa esiletha phasi.
Yeah, thanks, Honorable Chair. Yes, I did engage Lieutenant General Mbotha of DPCI, and he explained to me how he ended up there. And of course, we don't say senior members of SAPS, they shouldn't go to scenes of crime, be it high profile or whatever. There must be somebody senior who's responsible and take charge of the scene. But it shouldn't be that everybody flocks into the scene, into the crime scene. But also you have to take into account that some of the people, I'm sure, when they get arrested, they start calling the whole world. Sometimes people do call me to say, yeah, I'm here at the roadblock, and now I've the traffic cop says whatever about speed trap, whatever. And the nice thing they say, can you talk to him? Then I say, yeah, bring the phone. Then I talk to the traffic cop. What is the problem? Says he exceeded speed. I say, writing. And then thereafter I say, no, fine. I spoke to the traffic cop. He will let you loose. In the meantime, you get written in traffic. So there are people that call, that will call the whole world. But of course, senior officials, as they get to the scene, yes, they know there are SOPs in the organization, and one must respect those protocols.
Now, uzakhumbula ukuthi Jenene wakhe wayikhuluma indaba lela. Ukuthi ukhona mhlambe media houses. Ku-media houses la kunabantu laba babiza ngabosondaba abakhona ukuthi ukuthi bakusmere like kube ne campaign abayiranako ukuthi mhlambe bafuna ukugcekela phansi, you know, kuri siriti sasipolisa basihlise kufasi. Mhlawumbe wena ngendlela owazi ngakhona ngoba uzakhumbula ukuthi nasa i-ID seyaziwa ngokuthi i-IDEC kwaba nalento leya yokuthi i-allegation abayenza ngawe ngayibuza khona la azange ngikhona ukuthola ipendulo kulaba abe bayikhuluma. Uzakhumbula ukuthi uPatricia Mashale and I think if ngikukhumbula kuhle kwaba ne-issue nasa ye-Louis Vintonberg ekwathiwa bebatrade ngayo some members be-IDEC, you know, I think Perumal and Badiachi and Belochente or whatever the name is. Kwathiwa ukuthi no imali leyo ufakwe imali ebhegini yakho no General Mkhwanazi. Manje into leyo ke ngile engenza ukuthi ngithi ke abantu bendaba once bayibhala general lapha bayifaka lapha endweni into le yanginamathela and ukuyisusa abantu bendaba normally bavamisa ukuyisusa ngesentence yinye mara mabakubhala bayibhale yonke into le enganayo evidence. Now bengiba ukuthi general akha mhlambe ayihabenyana kancane msinya so ukuthi into le ukuthi isuke ngoba uthi uyaqala sometimes uthi uvula iphepha ngokosondaha nasi indaba leya ethenitsha your reputation eza kuwe ukuthi ujena ngoba ngabuza ukuthi omunye wathi 100,000 then ngambuza ukuthi ibheke leyo imali leyo wakhona ukuyibala na nokwathola ukuthi man ngathi ngesikhethu vane sithi uleyamala ngoba akakhona ukukunikela into le enobufakazi ukuthi yebo ngiyibonile imali le ugeneral bamnikele nebhege bamnikele mara ke into leyo ngibona ngathi iloko iyavela ayihlali kamnandi for integrity yamapolisa utshela mhlambe angathi angathini ngayo into le.
Thanks, Honorable Chair and Member. Well, it's something that they talk about. It's like the 100 cars that I bought in 2011-12. It's always there. In as much as I explain, it's always staying there. I've explained this matter that I don't know about. Wherever I was, I received a bag. It was in Louis Vuitton, and that was it. There was no 100,000. I don't know where those monies come from. And the bag that I received was worth, it's a nylon bag that is worth less nothing to declare. So we keep explaining, just like the cars I've explained over and over. But at the end of the day, yes, people, they have their own things. Like you heard earlier, this thing of Mr. Mkhotsi that he gave me money or Mr. Matlala gave me money. It's things that people, they, unfortunately, yes, they tarnish people's images and they will go out like every time they talk of crime intelligence, they'll always come with lots and lots of stories. And we are aware, some of us, that is people that would want to do some nefarious things in that environment of crime intelligence.
So